Georgia was not expected to have the puppies for at least another week or more. We don't anticipate any of these puppies living.
Sadly, none of them survived. When I brought her home, she was frantically looking for the babies. I had posted on social media to ask for puppies that possibly didn't have a mom. I got a lot of people that had kittens, but I couldn't find any puppies. So I thought, well, it could work.
Picked up 3 new little friends. Going to see how Georgia takes to them.
She didn't show any signs of being aggressive. And so I brought one kitten out and let her sniff.
Good girl.
When I felt comfortable, thought, okay, I'll bring out another kitten. There were 3 kittens.
Oh, is that one latched on?
First time they latch.
Looks like it is. It is.
It's really exciting. From the very get-go, I supplemented and bottle fed. But they got the comfort of nursing on her. Her instincts were so strong to mother something. I don't know that she knew that they were any different than her babies. We got really lucky that we found babies for her and she took to them and they took to her. It was so good for both the kittens and for Milo. I would take them and feed them and then I'd bring them back to her. Oh, and the minute they got back to her, she'd be super excited to see them. He had to be like extra gentle with them because they were so tiny. They'd come out, they'd nurse, they'd get cleaned. It was funny because she favored one of the kittens. If Gumball got out of the play pool, she went and got Gumball and brought her back. The other 2, she let them meander, investigate more. But Gumball, she needed to have Gumball near her, and she was more attentive to Gumball. She was starting to wean them. She would clean them, but for a much shorter amount of time. At that point, I kept the kittens, and David adopted Milo. David lives with his sister. And we always knew the sister wanted one of the kittens. She got Gumball, and Gumball happened to be Milo's favorite. So we were really happy that they could be reunited. They're doing really well together, and they're getting along great. The other 2 kittens got adopted. These kittens got a mom, and they wouldn't have had a mom. For it to have such a heartwarming ending is a beautiful thing to us.